In space, two metal pieces fuse instantly when touched. This phenomenon is called cold welding. Space has no air, moisture, separating metal surfaces. Atoms on each piece join together seamlessly. On Earth, air and water prevent cold welding. In space, metal behaves entirely differently. Spacecraft engineers design parts to avoid accidental welding. Tools, bolts, structures need careful consideration. Cold welding poses challenges for space equipment. Understanding cold welding is crucial for spacecraft safety. Accidental fusion could disrupt engineering operations. Designing spacecraft requires meticulous attention. Knowledge of cold welding informs space exploration. Preventing cold welding is vital to mission success. Spacecraft manufacturing incorporates anti-welding measures. The unique nature of space impacts metal behavior.